Excalibur. It's been stolen.
No, absolutely not.
But Mother, Excalibur's missing. I must go after it.
That's a job for knights, not a young girl.
But I want to be a knight. I'll go on grand adventures, fighting evil, rescuing damsels in distress. What is a damsel anyway?
Now, KK, stand still and try on your new dress.
Mother, I don't want a new dress. I want to save Camelot. If you just let me, I know I can find Excalibur all on my own.
The knights will find the sword and they'll do it by working together.
While I'm working here, doing the chores, fetching the eggs, taking care of the house? Boring. Where's the glory in that?
Kaylee, one day you'll learn what Camelot means. Till then, you'll stay here with me.
Oh, all right.
What would you do?